Years, it's time to
actually make some fun.
Well, yeah.
Now what we'll do is we'll take it.
I haven't seen you spend a dime since I've known you, really.
We'll take it for a rip, and we'll actually see if we can't fill the yard.
Did he home make this thing?
Take the what?
Get the dog. Can you just hovercraft it real low?
Oh, yes, sure you can.
Okay.
Here comes the dog.
And then we'll get the kids after.
Get the kids after it.
I know.
I'm not sure where the dog went.
Crazy, man.
Yeah, if he really wants to get the house, then I'll come and set myself up again.
I want one.
So are you like patenting this or what?
No, it's all open source technology.
Well, it doesn't matter. It's open source until it's put together, then it's patent.
No,
So I can take a picture and patent the technology then?
you could try, but you'd piss other people off too. Let's actually take some of the house, so we'll get everybody just to back up.
What are we doing?
Because it is pretty calm.
I can't believe you don't have a 4-leg stabilizer.
Too much weight.
I guess. You tried that already?
It's all about weight savings. Yes.
How many prototypes have you had?
My dad, I built him one. He's got 8 blades.
Why don't you have a harness to hold that?
It is all harnessed in.
I bet you got it from,
No, baby, he made it.
no, not that, but the,
Oh, the gun, yeah.
I bet he got it from, what's the place called?
It really is an upside down lawnmower.
There's no doubt about it.
So how did you get that? How did you like sync that to that?
So this is just a radio, and it just talks to this piece. That's all it does.
And so you had to go on the computer and like.
Oh no, this company and this company make them to pair to each other. You just have to go through a binding sequence, you know, to put yourself to say that this unit talks with that one. So if there's another guy standing beside me, only mine flies with it. So, and then I've got a little stabilizer, so you should see that when I turn it, the camera stays perfectly level.
I don't see the camera. Oh, that's the camera.
Right at the very
That's
front.
what I thought you should have on a ledge. But
I
now
think
I
that'd be freaking
understand.
cool to go, you know, you see a deer at the end of the field, and you want to go video it, fly right up and video it.
And so then there's this camera. I don't have it set up right now, but this camera will be, so when you fly with goggles, it's like playing a video game.
Who flies with goggles?
I have a set of goggles. So that's like
goes
first.
where you look.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So it is literally like playing a video game.
Should have flown out over to Gress and shit.
Yeah. Oh, they're gone
Whoa,
now.
whoa, 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 whoa. This guy's that's a safe spot till tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So Dad and I actually set up a company for all of this, and so we want to do different photography. Oh. What the hell did I just pull out? Uh-oh, lost the screw.
Better now than...
On the air. Yeah, well, that's good. I didn't lose it down here, I could tell. So the motors, each motor has 370 pounds of torque.
Holy crap.
What's that mean though? Like what? How would I understand that?
My truck has less torque than that motor does.
And where's the motor? Each one of those things has a motor?
That little round piece.
Oh.
Yeah. They're not meant for, these ones aren't meant for...
I'm good for Mom.
What'd you say?
A black dog.
Woo-wee! So you can hook it up to your phone as well. So I've got a Bluetooth module, that was what the light was, that lets me so that I can see what's going on with my